AWS partners interested to generate more leads. Let's cover that today. I'm Adriana Pricope, former Amazonian and the founder of AI Everywhere, AWS approved agency in Europe, Middle East, and Africa. I help AWS partners align their strategy and execution between sales, marketing, and technical departments. I run strategic workshops where we identify key points about your ideal customer, their needs, and where they spend time. Video content has increased conversion time and allows faster market penetration. People buy from people, and video allows exactly that. Some of the most successful campaigns we implemented rely heavily on video content and interactive sales videos that allows your ideal customer to be informed, build trust, and enables them reach out to you with ease. Here's what the data tells us about how your buyers actually make decisions. 80% of the B2B buying journey happens before they ever speak to a vendor. 27% of that time, they're researching independently online. And right now, 89% of them are using AI to do it. But here's the problem. 1 in 5 buyers walked away from that AI research feeling less confident because the information they found was wrong, outdated, or simply missing. If your brand isn't visible to AI, you're not in the room when the decision is being made. That's not a content problem, that's an AI visibility problem. At AI Everywhere, strategy, content, and video aren't created just for humans, they're structured so AI engines can find them, cite them, and put you in front of buyers before a single sales conversation starts. At AI Everywhere, we build your content strategy around one goal: making sure the buyers who are already looking for what you do find you first. Not through ads, not through cold outreach, through being the most credible AI visible voice in your space. Thank you for watching. If you want to know exactly where your brand stands in the AI visibility landscape, book your AI Trifecta audit with AI Everywhere. We'll show you what AI says about you today and build the strategy to change it. Visit www.aieverywhere.io to get started or send me an email.